Good morning, parents. This is Mrs. Bordeaux, Culver Elementary's librarian, and I wanted to share with you a resource that is available in your child's ClassLink account. If you open up their ClassLink, you will find an app. Now, I have way more than your kiddos do as the librarian, but you will find an app called MackinVia. MackinVia is a virtual library. It has over 6,000 titles in it, and all of these are available to your child for free. A couple things you need to know as you help your child with this. There are ebooks, and an ebook reads just like a regular book. As I open this up, you'll see, we can turn the pages. If it has a play button, it will read it, but it reads it in a very robotic voice.
I got a dog. Trey told Ahmed.
So,
what color is it?
For kids that need some help with reading, that's fabulous. It'll give them that support. You can change the voice also. The kids always find it funny when I change it to UK because then it talks with a British accent. But that is one of the things that is available in here. You can check the book out just like you would in a library. You click check out. It's out to your child. When they're done, they turn it in. They get 7 days with the book, which is great if you have an older child who might need a chapter book. And there are chapter books in here. All of the Bluebonnets are in here, and those are the award winners for the state of Texas. Now, if you want an audio book, those are also available. In fact, this is Adventures of a Girl Called Bicycle. That is one of the Bluebonnets from this past year. We have Captain Underpants, a huge favorite. And I'm going to get down here. There's one, if I remember correctly. Here we go. That is not checked out. Battle of Gettysburg. I Survived Battle of Gettysburg. You can check this book out, or you can listen to it now. If you listen to it now and somebody else is checking it out, it can be taken away from you. So I do recommend checking the book out. And this reads it in a much better voice. These are done by professional voice actors. Add sound effects. Makes it much more interesting to listen to.
Scholastic Audio presents I Survived the Battle of Gettysburg, 1863. Book 7 of the I Survived series.
So you can kind of get a feel for that one. If your kiddo doesn't want to scroll through however many pages of books, we have advanced search tools over here. They could search by a favorite author. So, for example, this one, Dave Pilkey, is a huge favorite in the library. This is, of course, Captain Underpants. Now, Captain Underpants, as I've said, is a huge favorite. And because it is a huge favorite, you might need to request the book, which basically just puts a hold on it. And when it's your turn, the book will be available. We also have categories where your child can look for books by the topic they're interested in. They want an adventure, animals, fairy tales, any of those things, graphic novels, that, again, hugely popular. And parents, please don't be put off by the fact that they look like comic books. They require a much higher level of comprehension to read because you're having to figure things out. There's not as much text, so they're making a lot of inferences, which is a higher level thinking skill. And they normally have vocabulary 2 to 3 years above grade level. So graphic novels, although they look very simple, are really, really powerful ways for your kids to read. So we have all these different topics here. Anything your kid might be interested in. Now, please don't be afraid by this one that says romance. This goes up till 12th grade, but those books are blocked. So there are no love stories. I think if we click on romance, the only thing that comes up is Junie B. Jones loves Handsome Warren. Totally harmless book. So all of this is available to your child free of cost. You don't have to leave the house. These are all high quality books. It'll tell you, these are the newest ones that were just uploaded. Oh, Bad Kitty, again, huge favorite. We have, again, all of the bluebonnets are in here if your child is looking for the bluebonnets. We've got some popular stuff too. I see Teen Titans Go. I know that that's a fairly popular cartoon. These books here have been rated really highly by the kids who've read them. Your kids can rate books and give them stars. And then we've got some resources here. These are nonfiction books, but some kids really, really enjoy nonfiction. They prefer it over fiction. So like All Stations Distress involves ship sinking, and kids for some reason are very fascinated with things like that. If you have any questions about this resource, please email me, and I will get back with you as soon as I can and help you out. I can even do a Zoom and take you through this. But this is a fabulous, fabulous resource for your kids.